Hey, this is Alino here from Films Marketing. Let's strike to the point. I like free stuff. I believe you will love it too. So I've made a site for you to download everything for 100% free, whatever resources I have. You need to spend money to get them, whereas I'm giving them absolutely for free. Just go to my website and what you can see in the screen. This isn't a paid call, guys. I'm giving you things absolutely for free every day. You'll save big amount of money. Yes, you'll really do. Because I will be sending all the free stuffs every week that you love. It's as like as feeding baby. Those are the qualityful 100% useful tips and tricks and marketing hacks and training for your business needs. No matter where you live, anywhere in the world, you can grow your business step by step up. Having proper tools, tips and tricks is the key to your business success. Believe me, those training tools, software I bought using my own hard-working money over the time. If you wanna make money online, just think of me. Buying things online a lot of crap every nook and corner. The right things, select the qualityful product for your business. Giveaway isn't an easy task to do. Now question is, what will I have in the store? Anything about digital marketing, graphic design, unlimited premium bundle, free download, free training, email marketing business, make money from financial market, forex trading, stock marketing and option, training, tools, software, indicator and robot, free software, free robot and free indicators and so on and on. Learn about marketing research, money management, which is called Triple M, apply the strategy and learn the SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing management, video marketing, all in all, generating idea make more and more sales in the market. Take all those training and free stuffs to generate your idea to make money online. Once you got the idea, then you can start earning money. If you have any questions for anything else related to my website, then of course leave a comment. I'll directly involve on that. Please visit to my website and get to see whatever you need. You just put into your email and get them for absolutely free. So I hope your marketing success. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.